Welcome back, everybody. We got a couple of coincidences in the news today I wanted to take a look at. Before we do that, I do want to say congrats to the people that did win on Mercedes-Benz, winning their 8th Constructors' Championship in the scripted Formula One season. On Patreon, that was the call we made early in the year, back in June. It was the 72nd season of Formula One, and we said expect Mercedes to win the Constructors' Championship. Mercedes got the 72 and 144, just like Jesuit Order, and the 56, just like Society of Jesus, 72nd Formula One season. Easy call here. So congrats to the people that won on that. We had this story that made me laugh in the world of European football. We had Joshua Kimmich, who plays for Bayern Munich. I remember the perfect script they had last year in the cup they played for. But notice he comes out December 12th telling everybody that he regrets not getting the COVID vaccine sooner because he is out long-term for the Champions League because he has a lung problem. And nobody had lung problems before COVID-19, let me say that. Especially for all the people that smoke cigarettes, which the government keeps legal. They don't cause any health problems. They are very, very good for you, and it is marijuana that we need to make sure is illegal. I just want to put that out there. Now, tell me if you get the joke here. So it says, this was a story from November 24th, 2021. We're going to read this story, and I want to see if you catch the joke. Unvaccinated Joshua Kimmich tests positive for COVID-19. Bayern Munich star has tested positive for coronavirus, having previously caused controversy by failing to get vaccinated. Kimmich has been forced to quarantine at home twice in recent times after coming into contact with someone who had COVID-19. His most recent spell in isolation forced him to miss his side's, I don't know how to pronounce that, defeat to Bavaria, to rivals Augsburg. Again, I'm going to butcher some of these teams' names. I apologize. As well as a narrow Champions League win over Dynamo Kyiv. Things have now gotten worse for Kimmich, with the Germany international returning a positive coronavirus test while in quarantine. Joshua Kimmich is self-isolating at home after testing positive for COVID-19. The FC Bayern midfielder is doing well, a club statement read on Wednesday evening. Now, tell me if you get the joke here. He tested positive for COVID-19 19 days before he comes out and says he regrets not getting the COVID-19 vaccine. On December 12th, the day leaving 19 days left in the year. See if you get the joke there. I do like his 8-2 birthday as well. COVID 82, Pfizer 82. He's 26 years old. China, virus, COVID, they all sum to 26. So if you missed the Miss Universe pageant, this Indian woman won it. And notice her full name in the most pure cipher sums to 70. She won the 70th Miss Universe pageant, go figure. There was also controversy in the Champions League yesterday. Supposedly they fucked up the draw the first time around and needed to redo it. I guess they didn't have the perfect script last time, the first time around. And for those of you that haven't seen my work in the Champions League last year, be sure to go and check it out. Talked about how before the season began, before the round robin began, how it was a guarantee that we were going to see Chelsea take home the Champions League title, which they did by the numbers. That was a big 666 ritual. Let's see what's happening in the world of Twitter. I feel like making a phone call right now. I see the Premier League's on there. Did you see the Premier League yesterday come out and say they had 42 new cases of coronavirus? even though every single fan in the stadium has to be vaccinated, every single player has to be vaccinated, and they hit a record high when 3/4 the globe is vaccinated. And they have a record high. You can't even explain this without getting tongue-tied. That's how fucking stupid this story is. Yet back when nobody was vaccinated, they didn't hit this record high. So before anybody was vaccinated from COVID-19, they didn't have a record high that they now have when 3/4 the globe is vaccinated against COVID-19, and the vaccine supposedly prevents you from getting COVID-19. Yet they set a new record high, which makes me, a well-respected conspiracy theorist, ask the question, why would you get vaccinated then? If you're setting a new record high, if vaccinated people are testing positive for COVID-19, then I got to question whether or not you should get that vaccine. I mean, that's the thought of a conspiracy theorist, right? Because, see, I am a completely healthy, unvaccinated person, and I have a hard time believing what the media says, which is unvaccinated, healthy people are responsible for getting vaccinated, unhealthy people coronavirus. Kind of makes you dizzy. So let's see what else is happening in the world of Twitter. I haven't picked on Tom Wolfe for a minute. Got my shot, PA. That's right. Oh, that's right. I forgot about this. Today, we solemnly remember the 20 children and 6 adults killed in the Sandy Hook Elementary shooting. You guys remember that? The Sandy Hook Elementary shooting, where they shot up the abandoned elementary school and blamed it on 112-pound Adam Lanza. Oh, I'll tell you what, I've already seen enough. Till next time, conspiracy theorists.